Most MSSPs feel like a black box. Not ours. When you don't see activity, you start questioning the value. During an outage, silence creates panic and confusion. Without communication, trust erodes quickly. With OmniView, you can see what our SOC is doing anytime, no mystery, no blind spots. Imagine answering to your board with proof, not promises. Track response times and incident handling in real time. Your security budget should speak for itself. OmniView gives you measurable ROI with live metrics, not static reports. In a breach, uncertainty is the enemy. OmniView gives you peace of mind when it matters most. We don't just detect threats. We stand apart with transparency, accountability, and collaboration. OmniView gives your SecOps team clarity and visibility so they can validate, align, and act faster. SolCyber OmniView, because trust starts with visibility.